Welcome to our channel. If you're enrolled in Medicare Advantage, follow these step-by-step instructions to use your plan effectively and maximize benefits. Step 1, understand that Medicare Advantage replaces original Medicare. Your Part C plan provides all Part A and B coverage, plus often includes prescription drugs and extra benefits. Step 2, know your plan's network requirements. Most Medicare Advantage plans are HMOs or PPOs, requiring you to house network providers or pay significantly more for out-of-network care. Step 3. Select a primary care physician within your plan's network. HMO plans typically require choosing a PCP, who coordinates your care and provides specialist referrals. Step 4. Obtain referrals before seeing specialists if your plan requires them. Visiting specialists without authorization may result in denied claims and unexpected bills. Step 5. Understand your plan's prior authorization requirements. Many Medicare Advantage plans require approval before certain services, tests, or procedures to ensure coverage. Step 6. Take advantage of extra benefits not covered by original Medicare. Many plans offer dental, vision, hearing, fitness programs, and over-the-counter allowances at no additional cost. Step 7. Stay in network when traveling or in emergencies. While urgent and emergency care is covered everywhere, non-emergency care outside your network may not be covered. Step 8. Review your coverage annually during the open enrollment period from October 15th to December 7th. Plans change benefits, costs, and networks every year, so compare options. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.